Well, back with another mukbang, a carbang. What I have today, because I forgot, I'm out Ubering, but I forgot that today was still a holiday. I kept going, it's Monday, where are all the cars? And then I'm in the drive-thru that you just really can't get out of. And I forgot to sign off of Uber, and I got a small ride, but it was locally in town, so I declined it, and so that I could film. So what we have, and you saw in the title, is Whataburger breakfast. And I got a milk. Now I gotta lower this just a hair because it's all like, I don't know what its problem is today, but it's all leaning. It's not gonna hold the, it ain't gonna hold the milk. Is it gonna hold the milk? It might hold the milk. 1% milk, because I had orange juice the last time. All right, now this is the number 20. It is the breakfast burrito. They call it a taquito meal. And all right, that's better. Look, this gonna bug me. Look, it's gonna bug me. Okay. But I did, here's some picante sauce. Y'all, I love Whataburger's picante sauce. Well, I said picante. We got napkins. See, I don't like that either now. All right, let me lower this just a hair. Okay, and the Whataburger is behind me. I got the HEB in front of me. So, we got now these are little hash brown bites. Which is cool. And then it only comes with one taquito, and I always get two, so I ordered an extra one. So the extra taquito, so this, and the milk, it's not to get it twisted, and the extra taquito, because this is $4.74. Okay, and an extra taquito is $2.84. So this whole thing, 2 taquitos, cost $8.21. So not too bad. I think the Burger King was cheaper, right? Okay, so let's take one of the burritos down, keep it warm. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it, and I'm going to add picante sauce to it, okay? And that way I can show you. This is you can get it sausage, egg, and cheese, or bacon, egg, and cheese, or potato, egg, and cheese. So that's what it looks like. Here, let me get it closer. Look, y'all know how I am with this loose food in this car. All right, come on, Fluff. You can do it. You can do it, Fluff. What you think? Okay, and then we're going to take our picante sauce. And yes, it's one whole little tub for one taquito, okay? Ooh, look. Look at that, y'all. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. Look. Well, it was a loose egg. Can't waste it. I usually try to find the open end and bite there first. Is that weird? Is that weird? All right. Here we go. Come on. There you go. Oh, here it is. They said they put a straw in here for me. Does milk separate? I think we all do it. We shake the milk. Why? I shake the little kids, the little carton that you used to get at school. I shake those too. Is that normal? We don't know, Fluff. It's just you. Probably. Oh, it's a bendy straw. Is that weird? That makes me happy. Cheers. Milk does a body good. So let's have one of these. Oh, look. Mm-hmm. It's just a mini hash browns, huh? Mm-hmm. I like it. I like it. I like it. You know, this last few videos, I've noticed I keep food on my mouth, but I can't feel it. And I'm using my camera, my phone, and so I don't always see the mess. And I know some of y'all are going, gross, Fluff. Wipe your mouth. I know, I'm sorry. Y'all, I had so much fun Saturday night with that game. I'm looking for the second edition, and Amazon carries it, but they're sold out. So I put myself on a wait list. So as soon as they get them back, excuse me, as soon as they get them back in, I will definitely get it. Unless you want to play the same cards again. I don't know. Y'all let me know. But that was fun. Well, something about these breakfast burritos, I just love them. Now, they are smaller than when I used to make them. They used to be huge, but then that's a lot of things, right? Used to be a pound of coffee. Now it's only like 12 ounces, but the same price. Y'all like breakfast burritos? Taquitos? Have you tried these? The niece and the kid love their biscuits and gravy. Yeah, fast food restaurant has biscuits and gravy. Okay. For you non-Texans, that's like a meal, okay? Biscuits and gravy. It's like a meal right there. One down. Oh, I want that many in there. What, a 4? Okay. Fluff. I know. You can't have everything have 6. I know. Oh, sorry, y'all. I got the hash brown down there. I've been out an hour, and I didn't get anything. And of course, when I drove up to the drive-thru and it said one you can't really get out of, then I would get one. So I think I'm going to go out for a little while longer and see. And if not, I'm just going to take my honey home. I might even do another video. We don't know. I might go live. I don't know. What I need to do is my laundry. Fluff, you need to do your laundry. I mean, I did some this weekend. Pick up the house. The dog hair, y'all. I'm forever fighting dog hair. Like, I have, like, it's not the Roomba, but it's like it. The only problem with it is that my daughter bought the rug that we have. Look, I'll go on. Has the little tassels on the end. And Bob, that's what it's called, Bob gets caught underneath there, and it's a pain, especially for me, to dig out of there. So then it's a whole process of rolling up the carpet. So Bob can get around. Fluff, you just having problems. I know. Well, if I didn't have problems, y'all, I don't know what I'd do. Look, you know what? I know y'all are thinking it, because I was thinking it. Fluff, you're going to knock that over, I know. Look at that, y'all. Look. Oh, look. Pretty, huh? Look, this, you know, I gotta quit being so damn cheap and get a better one. I'm only gonna chop my head long enough to put the piccata sauce on there, okay? Look, y'all. Don't be judgy. Fluff, we're not. But I feel it, though. I don't know why I'm wearing a pink, nice, pretty pink shirt with red piccata sauce. Ooh, look at that, y'all. Pretty, right? Oh, what is it? What is it about piccata sauce? Oh, salsa, piccata sauce, whatever you want to call it. See, I'm about to... Oh, why isn't this fitting today? Did it shrink? Okay. I'm back. So I'm going to take a chance. Where's my napkin? Here, I'm going to do this napkin. Put it on the bottom. Because with my luck, this will get drippy. There we go. Better. These really are good, y'all. I don't even know if it exists anymore, but there was a place. I can't believe I caught it. Okay. My belly stopped everything. In the trash. I know what it is. It's the way I have the wheel turned. Because this thing is supposed to go on the thing, on the steering wheel, and then the curvy part's supposed to be against whatever crossbar you have, so it stays. And I've got it at a weird angle. No, we're just gonna have it like this. Let me see. See, now it's sturdier. Now it's sturdier. Who knew? No. I saw the title, but I didn't watch the video. Is California still on fire? I should have asked Martin or Walter. San Bernardino? Is any of y'all close to that? Are y'all okay? My continued prayers for California. My goodness. Yep. It's full of juice. That would have been all over my shirt. This is all over my shirt? No. Y'all, I had a Walmart delivery yesterday because I needed food for Boo Boo. But I need creamer. I tried to order creamer and I didn't want them to substitute. Because of Be My Luck, they'd substitute with, they had sugar-free vanilla, sugar-free caramel macchiato, and sugar-free hazelnut. And it's the macchiato I wanted, but they wouldn't call me to ask what to set. They'd pick one, and with my luck, they'd give me the hazelnut, and I don't like hazelnut. So, I'm gonna go to Aldi's, but I'm not gonna do a haul because I don't need a whole lot. Okay, that's the mukbang, 16 minutes, but that's about average, right, of what I'm doing. So, and I'm not cutting out the tray falling, because if you were sitting right here, you'd see the tray fall. I got coffee, I haven't drank that much, so the milk was small. But once again, I'd only been in the car an hour, so you might get this one early as well. So, thank you for having your breakfast with me. I hope when you saw the video, you grabbed something for breakfast. Of course, by the time you get this, it'll be lunchtime. But we could call it brunch, right? It looks like the town's waking up. Probably just people wanted to sleep in after their barbecue I'm sure they had yesterday. I think there's not that many Texans that do not own a barbecue grill. God bless y'all. Positive vibes out to each and every one of you. Remember to always be kind and be your own advocate. I love y'all. I really mean that. And I will talk to y'all real soon, okay? Bye.